Today, we're going to cook us some prime rib. Not some fancy prime rib. This is a prime rib like a country boy likes to eat. Me being the country boy. Now this here, it used to be like a 3-bone ribeye if it had it. So we're guessing about 7 pounds. And we're going to make it good. Not much trimming because most of the fat, it's flavor. So it don't need to go. But we do need to get rid of this membrane on the back. It's simple, just like skinning a cat. I know there's different ways to skin a cat, but really only one way to skin a rib. Anyways, just get under it, peel it off, get her back, and this little end piece here, it's got some good meat on it, but not a lot. So we're going to save that. We're going to do some snacking about an hour into this cook. Other than that, let's get the silver skin off. Y'all know how to do it. Stick your knife under it. Do a little sawing. Try not to get too much meat. We don't want to be giving that away. And it just peels off quite simple. So I think y'all have got that figured out. Let's speed it up a little bit and get done with that. And there you have it. A 6-legged dinosaur with no head. Oh, that didn't make no sense. Just to make sure this thing don't fall apart and have a little bit more of an even cook, we're going to tie her up. Just start with a butcher knot, take your rope, go over and under, tie it, and there you go. It's ready to go. Pat her down real good, and we're going to give her a little lubrication with some avocado oil and rub her down. Yeah. Well, as always, interrupted by a phone call. But hey, it's Mr. Mark Williams from Swine Life. I'll talk to him. So we got the beef rub, MOJO beef. Don't be afraid to dose this baby up heavy, because it's a big chunk of meat, and basically you're just going to have flavor on the outside. So every bite you get, you want to be packed with her. Give her good patting down, and get some of this TX from Killer Hogs. I hear that dude's pretty famous on YouTube. But it's just salt, pepper. So if you don't have TX, get you some salt and pepper and load her up. It's almost be like a Texas style brisket. Oh, it was brisket rub, wasn't it? Can't forget that piece. That's our eating piece. Get that fly off of it. Now we have it. We're done seasoning. It's time to, I guess we'll get her on the grill. First, let's fire the grill up. Build you a mold of charcoal around the half pan in your Weber. I sure do like cooking on this Weber. Get her lit. When you get a little coal bed going, go ahead and clean your grate. Get the lid on her. Now we want this to hit, we want to cook about 275, 300. So open her up wide open till she hits about 250. Then we're going to back her down a little bit, because it's a lot easier to get it to temp than bring it down to temp. Just remember that. And I control my heat from the top vent on this, so leave the bottom wide open. Lubricate and lay that baby on. And that's it. Now it's just a waiting game. So, whoop, I forgot. We need one more ingredient, and that's hickory. It wouldn't be a smoked ribeye without smoke. So, we're going to wait about an hour, and we're going to come back and give her a little glance. And there she is. She's already looking good. We need to get a probe in this thing. Oh, look at that bark. Because one thing you want to do or don't want to do with a prime rib is overshoot the temp. So we're going to go about 121. It's about dark. We're about 2 hours in. So let's get one more look at her and a snort. And at 2.5 hours, there she is. I must say, I've never seen a prettier ribeye. And to show you I wasn't lying, okay, maybe I was lying, 130. That ain't right. Let's try that again. Looky here. We're going to get right down the middle. We're 121. See, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Let's get her in a pan, loosely tin her, and we've got to wait another 30 minutes or 20. Just let them juices get all back reabsorbed, and here we have it. The pretty ribeye. Let's get one more look at it before I've got to butcher it up. Oh yeah, I forgot that string. We gotta get that string off. Alright, now that the string's off, we can get busy. It's been 3 hours. This boy wants to eat. The little snack didn't last long. So we're gonna get her turned around here, pull out the old sword. Get your sword, buddy. Wave her around. And we're gonna cut off the end piece. Now don't get worried. It's gonna be more done than what's in the middle. So just set that piece aside right there for your vegetarian friends. We'll see if we can change their mind. Because we want to get down here this centerpiece. And boy, does she look good. Perfectly cooked in my opinion. Now, all we gotta do is eat. Y'all know I like to eat. So, well, I'm gonna cover this up. Maybe it'll keep the juices in, won't dry it out. Like we talked about before, we're gonna get the goodest meat down here, which the fancy people are gonna call spinalis. Look at that bark. That's where the flavor is gonna be. Now, here we go. Gonna be good. Well, the tongue got out there, it couldn't wait. And oh man, smoked ribeye. I don't think a ribeye should ever be put in the oven. So, let's not disgrace that cow. Always put it on the grill. This is so good. And remember, you can leave all your little fancy herbs in your herb garden. This is all you need to make the best smoked prime rib you've ever tasted. So, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button over there. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down twice. That's all there is to it. Hey, we appreciate you guys. I got some more eating to do.